getting live. Hi, hello everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Hi. Sorry. So we'll just wait for people to join in. We'll give it a few seconds. Let's do that. अब तक मैं पानी पी लेती हूँ. आ रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं लोग, बढ़ता जा रहा है काउंट. थोड़ा और बढ़े तो फिर मैं शुरू करती हूँ. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई जस्ट वांट टू से 17 मिलियन हो गए यार. I can't believe it. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who contributes to the 17 million. I can't believe it that we're 17 million already. I feel like 15 million तो अभी हुए थे, 2 million इतनी जल्दी कैसे बढ़ गए? But thank you everyone. I love you all. You've been amazing, and I know ये बहुत long overdue था this entire live. मैं पिछले 2-3 दिन से ट्राई कर रही हूँ. लाइव सोच रही थी मैं करूँगी और मैं रोज सोचती थी और कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता था और ये रह जाता था. तो आई एम रियली सॉरी. आज भी टेक्निकल ग्लिच हो रहे थे, तो वो किसी तरीके से सॉर्ट हुआ. तो अब मैं फाइनली लाइव आ गई हूँ. मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ कि आई बी मोर रेगुलर, क्योंकि अब मुझे पता है मैं इंस्टा पे बहुत रेगुलर हूँ और यहाँ पे उतनी रेगुलर नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अब मैं इसमें और रेगुलर हो जाऊंगी. आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट. सो इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन दैट यू वांट टू आस्क, आप मुझसे कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हैं, you can ask or I will answer all the questions as much as I can in this entire time. And yeah, let's do this. So I was eating gulab jamun. I don't know how many of you know what gulab jamun is. It's an Indian sweet. I'm trying to gain weight. I know most people are trying to lose weight, but I'm trying to gain weight. And it's not for any role or anything. I just want to gain weight. So I'm eating a lot of sweets these days, and I love gulab jamun. How many of you love gulab jamun? Let me know in the comments. I'm a huge sucker for sweets and for chocolates, and I actually don't eat that many Indian sweets, but gulab jamun is the only thing that I really like. And I just ate 3. Yeah, don't judge me now. So okay, so I wanted to come on and say thank you to everyone for giving me all the love for Bisat. So if you haven't watched my new series, which is on MX Player, it's called Bisat, which is directed by Vikram Bhatt. I've been getting a lot of love for it from everyone, so thank you so much for it. We're trending on number 4. We already have 1.5 million views in 2 days, which is quite fab. And I'm very excited. What do I say? Yeah, thank you so much for watching it, for appreciating my work, and for giving me so much love. Yeah. थैंक यू. आप सबको बहुत तहे दिल से मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया और देते रहते हैं हमेशा, हर पोस्ट में, हर मेरे काम में, हर डांस वीडियो में. सो थैंक यू सो मच. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट अ लॉट. ओके, सो आई एम गोना टेक क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम पीपल. ओके, हाउ डू आई... So a lot of you have sent me requests on one-on-one. Let me see if I can do that today, but cancel. How do I turn on the comments? Why can't I see the comments here? Okay, someone needs to help me out here. I'm not able to see my comments. I can only see the people who've joined in. How do I see the comments? Why is only watching and stuff like that coming? Hold on. Hi Ram. Why did I turn so daft? Guys. How do I see the comments? Usually I have comments here, but that's not happening today. Should I disconnect and connect again? Is that what should I do? Is this... Swipe left to reveal comments and reactions. Okay. I don't know what's happening. I'm not able to see the comments. So wait, hold on. Oof. Why is this happening? Okay, now I can. Okay, now I can. Alright, now I can. Finally I figured it out. So not so daft after all. Hello. Okay guys, now you can ask me any question that you want to ask me, and I'm here and I'm going to be answering all the questions. Bring it on. What's my next work? Someone's asking me. Well, I've just finished one series called Bisat, which released, and if you haven't watched it, you must watch it. It's available, it's free. You can watch it for free on MX Player, and it's directed by Vikram Bhatt. It's a murder mystery whodunit, and I play a psychiatrist in it, so you should watch it. And after this, now I have another series coming out next month, which is with Hotstar. I'm not going to get into the details of it, but there's one with Hotstar, one with Netflix. These are the two ones that I'm doing as of now, and that's it for now. Vaccine to be given to all above 18, I hope so. As of now, I'm not in that age group. Today is my birthday. Could you please wish me by saying my name? Hi Mohit, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. What's your view that we all will get vaccine? Vijay, I hope we all get vaccine, man. I mean, of course, I think eventually तो हम सबको मिल ही जाएगा. Question is हम 1 billion की population में सबको vaccinate करने में time तो लगेगा. It's going to take time. Which is your favorite song? I will remix for you. Really? DJ Sushant, please remix Bahu Mein Chale Aao for me. I love Bahu Mein Chale Aao. With whom you party most? With friends or with anyone special? With friends. Nathan, you're a very good dancer. Thanks, Nathan. What else? This is also going super. MD Shah Jahan, keep up the good work. Thank you. Om Jaiswal, what is the reason for your glow of your skin? मेरी माँ और मेरी दादी का good skin, genetic. How are you now, my dear friend? Hi to everyone in Philippines. Which state are you from? Mumbai. What would you advise people in these rising COVID cases? I would advise, please stay at home. Don't venture out if it's not required. Please wear a mask, sanitize your hands. Very important. yeah, just don't step out of your house if it's not required. Just don't go out to chill with your friends and go out to party. What kind of food do you love? I love Chinese. You look so beautiful. Thank you. I'm okay, Ali. Thank you. I hope you're okay too. Sushma, your smile is very cute. Thank you. Lots of love from Pakistan. Thank you. Right back at ya. I love you. Are you single? Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. समझ नहीं कि लाइव में ऐसे ड्रेस पहनते हैं. नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं ना इंटरव्यूज कर रही थी तो इसलिए मैं ऐसे ड्रेस्ड हूँ. So I was basically doing some promotional interviews for Bisat, and that's why I'm dressed like this. This is not how I dress up at home. This is not how I'm pretty much in pajamas most of the times. Have you visited Chennai? What's your views on it? Of course, I've visited Chennai a lot. I used to do a lot of Tamil ads at one point, so I used to be in Chennai every other week, and it was nice and great food. Good evening, love from Nainital, Uttarakhand. Hi, I've been dying to go to Uttarakhand. I want to do this trek which happens in Uttarakhand. So hopefully when the situation becomes, Corona situation gets a little better, then I will go to Uttarakhand. What are you doing during the lockdown? I am reading, I'm watching movies, I'm eating a lot of food. I am, what else am I? I'm also doing a lot of promotional stuff because Bisat just released, so a lot of promotional stuff I have to do from home. Can you speak English? I think I've been speaking English all this while. I think. When your next dance video coming out? Dhruv is asking me that. Soon, yeah, soon. Once I'm able to get out of the house and go to a dance studio, I will do one for sure. I'm also missing dancing. I've also not danced in quite some time, so I also miss it. Like how you guys miss watching me dance, I miss dancing myself. So I'll do one soon enough, I promise. A lot of love from Philippines I keep getting. To everyone, thank you so much in Philippines. I love you all. Thank you. My favorite actor all time, love. Thank you. Love you from Malaysia. Thank you so much to everyone in Malaysia. Eat some gulab jamun. 3 खा लिए. I had 3 gulab jamuns. I should not be eating more than that. What else? What is everyone doing? I mean, in this COVID, I know schools and colleges are shut. Everything is work from home. So I hope सब घर पे बैठे हो. Can you speak in Hindi? Some people are saying speak in English. Some people are speak in Hindi. दोनों में बात कर लेती हूँ. You're one of the best dancers we've ever had. How sweet. Thank you. There are lots of good dancers out there. यार हिंदी में भी बात कर लूँगी मैं, इंग्लिश में भी बात कर लूँगी, दोनों में. I'll speak in both the languages. Do you enjoy cooking? क्या मुझे cooking पसंद है? हाँ, मुझे cooking पसंद है. कभी कभी. हमेशा नहीं. मैं रोज नहीं बना सकती. कभी कभी ठीक है. किसी ने पोइट्री भी लिख ली. मयूर, मैं पोइट्री इतनी पढ़ नहीं पाऊंगी. यहाँ कमेंट्स ना बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ऊपर जाते हैं, तो अगर आपने जो अच्छा लिखा है उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच, बट सॉरी मैं पढ़ नहीं पाऊंगी. Lots of love from Assam. Thank you so much. I want to visit Assam also. East also. I want to go to East, Sikkim, Shillong, all of that. I really want to do. It's on my bucket list for traveling. I'm a huge travel buff और मुझे मौका नहीं मिला है ट्रैवल करने का बिकॉज मैं एक तो बैक टू बैक काम कर रही थी और फिर उसके बाद कोरोना की सिचुएशन की वजह से ट्रैवल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो आई रियली मिस ट्रैवलिंग. दैट्स वन थिंग विच इज द बमर. तो होपफुली आफ्टर दिस थिंग आई विल go to all the places that I want to go to. How do you motivate yourself? I have a lot of goals, in life, so that becomes my motivating factor. Also, then I see a lot of other people out there who are far less privileged than I am, and they're hustling and trying to make it in life, and that inspires me. Can you understand Filipino? No, I can't, sorry. Which is your favorite European language? French? Je m'appelle Sandeepa, j'habite Bombay. When would you visit Pune? I don't know. Soon, I think. Someone saying please speak in Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali and Malayalam, please. Sure. I'll say hello in each one of these languages. Let me try. In English, hello, of course. In Tamil, vanakkam. Marathi, ho. Gujarati, kencho. Bengali, I don't know if I know that. Malayalam also I don't know. Excellent acting in Bisat. Thank you so much. Speak in Telugu. बस अब मैं यही करती रहूं. Alright, guys, I've got to go. But thank you for chilling with me today. And I came on just to say thank you to everyone. Because we are a family of 17 million. 17 million. I think I'm very, very excited about that. But thank you so much for all the love. Thank you. And please watch Bisat on MX Player. If you haven't already, it's my new web series which is directed by Vikram Bhatt. If you don't know about it, then you go to MX Player. It's an app which is free. So please go on MX Player and watch Bisat. And watch me and then tell me what you thought of it. Alright? Bye.